Sometimes you just wake up and you don't feel like eating anything. Today I woke up not craving anything, but I needed to take something. So I just thought of this. This is tomato, onion, pepper, crayfish, egg, and chicken. See, that's what I prepared there. I don't know what to call it. Is it to call it egg sauce? And I'll be taking it with this white rice. I woke up as early as I could to prepare this. You can tell from my face. Ciao, ciao. So, you say you're hungry, Bab?
Yeah.
What have you done since today?
I pray.
Prayer. So, if someone come and ask you, today is Saturday morning, what have you done since today? You tell the person that you did what?
I pray.
You prayed?
Yes.
That's what you have done. So, prayer is not church.
I also do what
What did I ask you to do?
you tell me I should pick clothes and put it in the washing machine.
So that one is work.
Yeah.
Check, what have you done since today, since morning?
I've done nothing.
You have done nothing.
Yes.
Keep doing nothing. If you have not done anything, make sure you are not done to eat. You get me? Not done to eat.
But this today, if you're going to give me sandwich.
Nobody sandwich. It's ambush.
Should I teach about family?
Teach me a bit. I don't know.
See, the same formula, just say F A N I L Y family.
Wow.
In the same Sunday, just say S U N D A Y Sunday.
I should say spell Sunday again.
S, you know S?
Yes.
S U N F D A Y.
Okay, I should be repeating it so that it will enter the person's ear. Okay, that's good.
So that all of the class
will hear me clearly. Wow, you can spell, no? Thank you for teaching me.
Mom, what about to read all those colors? Mom, should I tell
Okay, tomorrow you teach me that one.
Okay.
Chagozim. What is the problem?
Thank God.
In the United States we say, how are you? In China we say, Nioma. In Brazil we say, Dudubem. In South Africa we say, how's it going?
Go and do what? Go and wash plates, Jerry. Go and wash plates.
How are you? Why you?
So what is your own problem? What is your own problem?
I'm saying all the way, all the countries to say, how are you? Stop fighting your sister.
What is the problem? Talk now.
Mommy.
What is the problem? You are crying. What did she beat you? What happened?
I tell there's spots there. Look at. See, there's spots. So I don't care that. Normally the others she used to rinse the pot in the sink. So I now left it for her. Let her rinse the pot in the sink. She now come and drop it for me. Let me rinse it as what?
As what? What did I tell you people today? What did I tell you today? You will do all the chores together, right? As she has washed, go and rinse. I don't want. See, I know you don't. You don't forget. You are very lazy, and I'm not going to allow that. Everything she's doing, you're going to be doing it together with her. Gone are those days when you will shut up. Gone are those days when she will sit and she will be doing everything. No. We will not pass that stage. Go. Anything she wash, you will stay there until you clean. After washing the plate, you will clean the sink. Very neat. Two of you will do everything together. Gawan also. Lazy woman being. Go and help. Oh yeah, Amanda, go. Anyone you watch, leave it for her in the bath. Go, sister. Don't like doing anything. Finish, clean that shit. She don't wash it. She don't want to wash it up. Because I tell her anything she wash, be the one to rinse. She will wash, she will rinse. Gawa, go. There's no time. I want to come and cook. You people should clean up that kitchen. Let me come and cook. Kneel down. I did not say you should lie down. I said kneel down.
Mommy, they're buying out to you.
I asked you to clean your room. How many hours will it take you to clean your room?
Mommy, sorry. It's just a mistake. We are trying to carry the bed. The bed is very heavy.
Clean that room. If I'm cleaning that room, doesn't take me 5 minutes to finish. Go and get up from there.
Sharp.
Clean that room. Go to that room and clean the other room. Clean everywhere.
Thank you,
that one.
Mommy, thank you. Oh, thank
If I catch you people playing in that room again, you see what I will do to you.
Never. Let's go. Don't distract. I'm gonna as what?
What is the problem now? I want to understand.
Mommy, you should always be happy. You should not allow somebody to do their work fast. How will you be sleeping and another person is sleeping just one follow?
Chicken, so what is the problem?
That's why you stand.
It's better if you use broom. It's like when you use broom, you sweep this thing well though.
Mommy, tell us to leave this thing. Let me sweep it by myself.
Use broom.
Sweeping this thing.
Give her chicken, so give her the broom to sweep.
That she's holding broom. That she wants broom.
Chicken, so give her the broom to sweep.
Don't sweep.
Chicken, your problem that you don't have ear. And if you doing as if you're not.
Mommy, that should give her the broom.
Allow her to sweep now.
Mommy, but you said me around that is doing the house. You cannot do it. Say you're holding broom.
She sweep today, tomorrow you sweep. Turn by turn.
Now you're crying. You want to do her stuff.
Who swept you put room?
Me.
Who swept the other room?
Me. It's
you.
Me. Mama, when you something that she not something that come outside.
Amanda.
Jesus. Because so this I used to lie and you cry. Mama, who sweep the room?
Amanda, every day.
Because you can lie, go for me that you don't have shame. You're doing video, you're lying.
Yeah, man, you don't want to match sand.
She said she's holding broom.
Mommy, do you know what I'm to plate? I'm to plate. You see, you now come and pack it, you not plate it. And like, Daddy, let me show you. I show you. Like this. Then I do long. Come and pack it.
Sure. Because are eating rice. They are eating rice. You are busy here eating bread. Mama.
Yes, ma'am. I don't want to rice. So I don't change to bread.
You don't want rice?
Yes.
You change to bread?
Yes.
Because you have seen bread, ba?
And I'm saying bread.
Mama.
You're calling me 4 times. So what is it?
Mama.
Ma? Ma?
Go and sit down and eat food. You told me you want to eat rice now. You're not eating bread this morning. Oh yeah, go and sit down there. Join your sisters and eat. I said, come on, eat food. Go and sit down there.
That was a prank.
Prank with my food. Don't prank me with my food. Oh yeah, go and sit down and eat food. Oh yeah, sit down there. Carry your own spoon. Start eating.
Who wants this chicken? Come on, eat it.
Are you the one that kept that head? You say you want to eat chicken head. Leave it after put inside the waste basket. Don't put inside the plate, oh. Don't put that meat inside the plate again. Eat food. Nonsense. No one not here. One that will allow you to fast. Start eating.
I'm gonna throw this thing at the door.
Give it there. If you finish eating, you can put it inside the dustbin. Fast. Start eating. I said start eating. Because you are seeing food. You know that a lot of people can in a day they don't eat even twice a day. If they see food once, they will be grateful to God. You early morning you have seen food, you are making guy. Nonsense. Didn't I tell you not to touch that bread?
Yes.
So why are you touching the bread?
I don't want. I hate stew and rice.
You now hate stew and rice. You don't like stew and rice again. All of a sudden you don't like stew and rice. Child Godzim, come and eat food. Are you going to eat rice? She said she wants to eat rice, right? I said I wanted to fetch for Holy Council so that she can take her drugs. She said she wants to eat rice. All of a sudden you don't want to eat stew and rice. Come and eat it.
Only give me Indomie and jollof, fried rice, cheese, that, jollof, spaghetti, and spaghetti stew.
Child goes over here and story. Come and eat fast.
Mommy, I just want bread.
Am I the only one doing this, or are we more? Anytime I prepare vegetable soup, I enjoy it a day after. Honestly, I prefer it when I warm and rewarm. That's when I get the real taste of my vegetable soup. I beg, which kind of wahala be this? Aside pregnancy, even before pregnancy, that's how I enjoy my vegetable soup. Anyways, join me, let's eat our leftover vegetable soup and food. Morning, I saw this things. My students got me all of this. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it, you know. Honestly, from the get, I wasn't expecting it. They just called me out. And these are some of the gifts, so because it was packaged in a nylon and they called me out and gave it to me. I was like, what happened? I couldn't film. That's because I wasn't expecting it. Was just unaware and everything. So I left my phone inside. They called me out and gave me all of this. It may look small, but then it's over big to me, to be honest. It's over big. But looking at this, coming from the space of love, space of care, space of concern, oh my God, I really appreciate, honestly. This is my first gift, my first unborn baby gift from my student. That's so thoughtful of them, honestly. I really do appreciate it. It's more than this, so I didn't even know there were edible things until I got home. I opened, there were rice, fried meats, juice, all of that. But my kids ate that one last night. I couldn't video. And not just that, they also gave me envelope. You know, I thought it was just a write-up. Putting it was some, you know. So I really appreciate honestly. Coming from the space of love, from the space of concern, from the space of, you know, that's so thoughtful of them. So my first gift from my baby, from my students. It was quite emotional for me, honestly. I really do appreciate. It's not about the gifts, it's the hearts that thought of the gifts that really matters. So I really appreciate it. Yeah?
Me Amanda and Kamsu.
I should beat Amanda and Kamsu. Why would I beat them?
They don't want me to sing.
You don't want you to sing?
Yeah.
Amanda! What is the problem?
I don't know.
Why are you not giving her a chance to sing?
Sing what?
Why are you not giving her a chance to sing?
What did she know she's singing?
What do you mean that? What did she know that she's singing?
She don't know she's singing. That she just wants to sing.
Mommy,
You push your allow me rest too. Mama, you're not going to drink this juice. You say your stomach is aching, right?
Mommy, wait, let me keep the juice on the table. See, I have eaten biscuits, juice, biscuits, juice, biscuits.
Biscuit juice. What happened to cake?
And
Egg roll.
malt.
And you still want to drink juice.
And we go.
So that after in the night you tell me, mommy, my stomach. You're not eating anything again, oh?
I must eat more.
You're not drinking.
Open this thing.
No.
But I'm going to open it.
You can never open it. That's a lie. Never.
I not slap her. She slap herself.
How can she slap herself?
Mommy. She was telling me waka. And that old waka, she not say slapping.
She don't get it walk on them and slapping my cheek.
Hey, Mama, is it?
She slapped me like my own be telling me waka.
Mama, is it?
I was not there, so leave me alone.
She was not there. Don't make her. Don't invite her to your matter. Manda.
I don't slap her. Mom, not slap her. See, she's laughing. She's laughing. I not slap her.
I won't read. I do not feel like brushing.
You don't feel like brushing your teeth, but you feel like eating. If you don't feel like brushing, that means you should forget about the food too. You know, don't worry again. If you don't feel like brushing, then forget about eating. Don't touch that food until you brush. Come bring your brush. Let me brush you fast.